End of a 12-day stretch.
I'm so tired.
You guys feeling it?
Oh, yeah. I just want to go home and crash. It's the worst.
Yeah, you should really get going.
Mm-hmm. See,
all right,
have a good
kids.
kids.
Bye.
But I can't do this all on my own. No, I know I'm no Superman.
Okay, so as we've been going over the consent, you can see it says possible need for paravaginal repair.
Okay.
You might be wondering what that is and why is it only possible. So, here's the deal. Imagine this entire room is your vagina. Wall of your vagina, other wall of your vagina, introitus of your vagina, back of your vagina, bottom, and top. Okay? And sometimes the walls, they kind of just cave in. But we don't know that until we get in there. And so it's a possible thing because we don't know what we're going to find. And you would want that prepared.
Now let's see that one more time in slow motion. This being the interpretive dance version of paravaginal defect repair.